Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can add guidelines to your documents on CorelDRAW, for example, for orientation for your page. So let us dive into this. Head over to your document on CorelDRAW, click into Layout, select Document Options. Here, navigate to Guidelines. First, make sure that you enable them by checking this box here. Then, assign a color to the guideline. I will leave it at blue, but you can go with, you can enter the hex color code here, or change the color, for example, to CMYK, and then find your preferred color, right, for the guideline. Then add a horizontal one, click into add here, and change the position on the y-axis, because that one here is with 0, so I don't need this actually, so I'm going to delete this. And also add a vertical one. Here, set the position again, but this time on the x-axis. You may change to another measurement unit if you like. Click into add. That's it. Click into OK, and you will see the guide here, a red one, a blue one, and you can move them by left-clicking into them, right, to reposition them. That's how I do it, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.